get coke? Could I get that Henny? Could I get that margarita on the rock box? Could I get salt all around that rum tray? I was like, yo, Trey, do you think you could buy me a bottle of rosé? Okay, let's get it now. I'm with a pen, keys to his friends. I don't say hi, I say keys to the Benz. Keys to the Benz, keys to the Benz. My, I got keys to the 10. If I'm trying to get young money, you know, slim, baby, and we be doing so I could be waiting. We can provide the money to the baby, around the world. Do you hear me? Do you like my body and a Nicki?